This is 1956 D quarter. Superb gem at mintage 67. Comes with green CAC sticker. Ringed in reddish gold peripheral toning, the central obverse features more reserved pearl gray patina. The reverse is truly spectacular and exhibits a wide array of vivid multicolored toning. This expertly preserved super gem will provide hours of viewing enjoyment for its next owner. Mintage is little more than 32 million. It was sold for $725 on March 2020. This one's rail offered MS67 1955D quarter, beautifully toned low mintage. This exquisite superb gem exhibits sweeping crescents of vivid multicolored toning around the peripheries that yield to off-center swirls of pinkish silver tinting in and around the centers. Sharply struck, expertly preserved, and easily the most desirable example of the issue. With only 3,182,400 coins struck, the 1955D has the lowest mintage of any circulation strike, Washington quarter from 1941 through the end of the classic 90% silver series in 1964. It was sold for $14,000 in March 2022. That's all for now. If you like this video, don't be shy to press thumbs up and subscribe if you're first time on our channel. In case you have rare coins you intend to sell, you can post them for sale on our online coin trading platform, thecoinaz.com. You may also use our COİNaz app for publishing your ads, which is available on Google Play. Take care.